Okay, so I'm back, and now I want to talk to you about switch topics and go to Arabic. And I want to talk to you about how to read in Arabic, how to learn how to read in Arabic, how I did it. I can only talk to you about what I've already done. I have a basic level of reading in Arabic, meaning I don't see squiggly lines anymore. So what I see is I can see words and see meanings and concepts, and I can read through books. And I don't have a huge vocabulary, so sometimes I have trouble understanding what's being said. But I can read, and I have books, and I'll show you those later. So the type of Arabic I'm talking about is like things like this: real Arabic, right? Being able to understand and read through all of the squiggly lines that people who can't understand the Arabic describe it. And I even used to describe it as squiggly lines. So the first important thing that I found in Arabic, right, is that you have to learn the alphabet. You have to. You don't have to master it, meaning know exactly how to say the alphabet correctly, but you have to have a familiarity with the characters, the letters. They're actual letters. They're not characters. They're letters. And I'm going to write that down here from memory to give you an idea of that I do know the letters pretty good. And I used to practice those. So the way I practiced them is I wrote them down and I tried to learn them. Once you know the alphabet, that empowers you, that gives you an ability to start recognizing words or the difference between words and things. And with that, then you can take a step forward. All right, so I'm going to write down the alphabet as I know it, and might not be 100% correct, but again, we're here learning languages. We're not perfect, and we try to do the best we can, and make mistakes. All right, so the first letter, and remember, Arabic is read from right to left, different from like English or Spanish or Italian or French, whether you read from left to right. Arabic is written and read from right to left. Alright, so we start, the first letter looks like that. It's called Elif, right? Second letter says Elif, Be, Te, They, right? This is where I get all kind of confused. Gim, I think it's Gim, Ho, Ha, something like that, right? Del, Fel, Re, Zin, Sin, okay? Sheen, Sod, that's something like that, Sod, Dod, Ta, Za, Ayn, Ghain, Fe, Qaf, Kef, Lem, Mim, right? Noon, He, Wow, yeah. Now, there's some other special characters later, your like vowel type sounds, te marbuta and stuff like that I had learned. But this is what you absolutely need to start with. Understanding, like this line here means Elif, then Be, Te, The, Gim, Ho, Ha. Actually, this Ha doesn't look, this doesn't justify the way the letter really looks. It's really like this. I think it's that. I get these two confused all the time. Gim, Ho, Ha, or is this a Ha and this is a Gim? I'm not sure, but I can read it in the script. So once you can get these level of the alphabet in Arabic, you have to memorize or be able to see the characters for what they are, because the sound sounds like it does. Like a elif is a S sound. Be is a bet sound. Te is a tet sound. The is a the sound. Again, these things I'm not sure, but gim is a g sound. Ho is a ho sound. Ha is a ha, right? Del, da, the, rezin. Re is like a ra sound, like a rolling ra. Zine is a sharp Z sound, like zine, like zebra, right? Seen, sheen. Seen is less sound like in English. Sheen is sh, right? Sod is a different sounding than seen a little bit. It's a little deeper S sound, sod. But don't worry too much about getting that. As long as you know that that's a sound. Dod, t, z. So there's a t and there's a z, ayin. This ayin letter, I spent a lot of time because I really couldn't get it. I still don't have 100%, but you gotta get it so you can work with it. Ayin. It comes from within your inside here. Ayin. Rain. Rain is like when you're gargling on the back of your throat. R sound. You get the rain. R. I had to practice this one for about a week of a lot of practice just to get close to it, because there's a word that I knew or I heard in Arabic called ghilis, and which means annoying. I wanted to learn that letter, ghain, so I got that. Fe, cough like coffee. Kef is a K sound, like a K in English. Lem mim, which is L sound and an M sound. Noon, right? N sound. He, H sound. Wow is like a W sound. And then ye, which is like a ye sound, but will be silent, just like the Y in English. Alright? So that's part one. We'll speak soon in Arabic. Later.